welcome to Costa Rica. I decided if I'm going to Costa Rica to learn, why not bring each of you with me and we can all learn together. One of the reasons why Mr. Talcott chose Costa Rica was because of the beautiful nature and animals, and that's what we're gonna do today, is learn about some amazing animals that are unique to Costa Rica. This is a cougar from Costa Rica. Look, we're pretty close friends here. Thankfully, there's a piece of glass between us. But look at those paws, it's almost the same size as Mr. Talcott's hand. Well, it's done talking with me. Look at their habitat, beautiful lush plants, water, some rocks to climb on. There's two cougars. I wouldn't want to meet one of these without a glass between us, that's for sure. Here we have a Margay, or sometimes called the long-tailed spotted cat. See all the different spots on it? It looks super cute. Oh, look, it's cleaning itself. No wonder it has such clean fur. Oh, it looks like a nice one. I wish I could pet it. So here is the Jaguar. One of the unique characteristics is this Jaguar, and all Jaguars, have the strongest bite of all animal felines. And how they attack their prey is they go up with its strong bite and attack at the skull of the animal, and that is how it defeats its prey and is able to eat. This is the strongest bite that they have in an animal feline. So this Jaguar, look at all its different spots. Notice how there's a solid black spots going down the middle of its back and body, and then it turns out to more spotted on there. I see black, I see orange, I see yellows and little hues of white. Beautiful Jaguar. So, in Costa Rica, it gets a ton of rain, and it just rained, and so right now, we're in kind of like a clouds all around us. Check out all the beautiful mist. Kind of makes it almost like an enchanted jungle here for us.
We found the waterfall! It's really, really wet over here, but we found the waterfall. It's coming down fast. I don't know if I want to inner tube down this. I'm just getting blasted by the water.
Right now we're a little bit further down from that waterfall, but as you can see around us, there's so much beautiful nature. We have the green leaves, we have the moss on the trees, we have butterflies and moss that have been kind of flying around us, and little animal nature bugs. And as I said, there's a lot of water that comes down and rains in Costa Rica. So why do we have big waterfalls? Because it rains a lot.
I'm standing behind a big roaring waterfall! Look at how much water's going down. It's a long way down. Costa Rica!
So now everyone, we're in the butterfly exhibit. All these butterflies flying around us. Here's one right now. The wings right now are close together. We'll see if they open. Look at it. It's flying around us. And over here is some of the butterflies that we're gonna see. Ooh. Here we have a leaf under a super high-powered microscope. And what we're looking at is we see this green leaf, and on the leaf is actual butterfly eggs that are still in the process. Check it out real close there, everyone. So while we're at the butterfly exhibit, there's a process that the butterflies go through. Just as we grow up, we start off as babies, we turn into teenagers, and then to adults. Butterflies go through the same process. They start off as an egg, little egg that we just saw under that microscope. Then they turn into a caterpillar next, which then, once they go into that caterpillar, they'll attach themselves and hang upside down, and then turn their body into a protective hard shell we'd call a chrysalis. And then it will stay in there for several days. And then it will turn into an adult butterfly. It will emerge from that chrysalis. All right, so these are right now caterpillars that are in pupas. And we see one, 2, and 3 that just emerged. They just came out. Check out those brand new butterflies. Right now they're hanging so that they can dry their wings, because when they come out, their wings are sometimes very, very wet, so they have to hang and dry them before they can start to fly. Notice how this one's starting to pump their wings slightly, drying them out. Look at them all. Watch your step, everyone, because look, they're all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 behind you here. Look at all these butterflies. So here, everyone, this butterfly is learning to pump its wings and fly. It just came out of this pupa, removed itself, and it's now on the floor, but it's still not ready to fly away yet. So this butterfly right here, you'll notice, has a lot of brown and big circles on it, and it's used for camouflage and to scare off some predators. Look at those different eyes. Kind of looks a little scary, because it looks like owl's eyes there. Hey everyone, we have a iguana here today. Check it out. Look at that long tail that it has, and all the different designs, and how it has little spikes on the back of its back, and it slowly moves. Check out how his front feet are a lot smaller and his back feet are a lot bigger. That's a big difference between the front and the back. Oh, look at it's moving. Students, if you can look closely, look at what I'm seeing here. You'll see this moving trail of green. And what's under those green little peeled apart leaves are ants. Millions of ants taking these green leaves back to their nest, where the queen ant is. So many ants working together as a community to build their home and take care of one another. Just like we have our neighborhoods where we live and we help each other out, these ants are doing the same, working together. And when you work together, anything's possible with teamwork. Students, today we are entering the Enchanted Forest. And in the Enchanted Forest, there's so many different animals, different nature, plant species, and who knows what we're gonna find today. I can't wait to take you on this journey. Follow me. Wow, I think we found a sloth. It's right up in that tree. I'm gonna use my zoom lens and we're gonna check it out. Here we go. Oh my, there is a sloth. There's a sloth right up there in the tree. Let's check it out together. That sloth is one of the slowest moving animals in the world. In 1 minute, it can move about 3 to 6 feet. So slow. Now you'll also notice that sloth has super long arms with claws. We're seeing some 3-clawed sloths here. And they use those long claws to move from branch to branch. And they can also use those long claws to be able to reach up and grab on to some far up leaves to bring down and eat. Sloths are Costa Rica's national symbol. One of the reasons why is sloths make people happy. Why though? Because they always have a smile on. This is one of the happiest animals that you'll see climbing around in the Costa Rican forest and jungle here. Look over there! We found a land crab. A land crab is an animal that only needs to go to the ocean once a year and it lays its eggs. Other than that, it can travel on the land as long as there's fresh water close by, and there is today. Now, some facts about the land crab is it has some very, very bright colors on it. We see some red, we see some black on there, and those colors are typically bright colors mean that it's a poisonous animal. However, the land crab is not poisonous. Oh my, we see another sloth up here, but this one has a big black spot that has a little bit of almost into a stripe shape. We can tell that this is a male sloth. One unique characteristic about this spot is that it releases off a strong smell, and that strong smell scares off other male sloths from coming towards it. Look what we found now. This is a lizard. This lizard has a special characteristic. It is able to walk on water. That's super helpful because if a predator is coming up to attack it, it can just hop over that water and go for it. And that other predator may not be able to walk on that water or go through it. Oh my goodness, there is a special opportunity we have today. Up in this tree, let's check it out. I see a mama and a baby sloth. You never see a mama and a baby sloth out in nature. This is a rare opportunity we have today. You'll see the mama holding that baby tight together, and the baby stays with the mom for about 6 months, and then it's on its own. That's a lot different than us. We stay with our parents and families until we're 18 years old at least, sometimes even longer. But baby sloths, 6 months only. We found a basilisk lizard. Check it out, it's right up there. You'll notice that it has a brown body right now, but that body color can change to camouflage within its nature. You'll also notice that it's not moving, but if you look closely, you'll see its eyes moving all around, and it's constantly checking its surroundings to see if there's prey. And if there is prey that he's gonna catch, he's gonna quickly jump on it and attack it. But you'll look like it's just taking a nap right now, but it's holding on. You'll also notice that it kind of has a big head with its body really, really strong right now. That means that it's being very, very strong and big to try and ward off any animals. It's making itself look big. As Mr. Talcott makes itself big, you don't want to mess with Mr. Talcott. We finally found them, monkeys. Check it out. Look at these monkeys. They are playing all together. We have some up in the trees. We have some playing on this platform. Super, super cute. I see some baby monkeys. I see some parent monkeys. I love seeing their long tails. And monkeys are omnivores, meaning they pretty much eat anything. Bugs, insects, fruit, anything. They are always, always hungry and looking for a tasty treat. I love seeing the cute baby monkeys. Monkeys though, however, are mischievous. Never turn your back on a monkey. Costa Rica, beautiful place. And we think about our home and we think like that's our world. But our world is so much bigger. And the more we get out and explore our world, see the beautiful nature, the many beauties that it offers, the more we see what an amazing place we live in together. Students, we talk about 5 senses. Let's apply our 5 senses when we're at the ocean here at Costa Rica. We're at the Pacific Ocean. I'm feeling the sand between my feet. I feel the waves blasting over my body here. I even taste the salt water between my mouth. Beautiful. I feel the heat from the hot sun. And I hear the rushing of the ocean waves as they blast against the shore. Beautiful 5 senses all in action at one place. Did you know that there's even math in the rainforest? Check out these beautiful branches behind me and vines. Think about shapes. Think about the kind of lines that we see in shapes. Oh, there's straight lines. There's curved lines. Check out these branches and vines. Do you see those some lines over here? I see a curved line here going upright. I also see a straight line going up. And I even see kind of some little swirls all in there that go from straight lines to curved lines. There's lines all around us. Being in the country of Costa Rica, it's right in the middle where Central America is. At the top is North America, at the bottom is South America, and right in between Central America with little Costa Rica. Right here, we have some beautiful landforms called islands. But in Costa Rica, they speak Spanish. So these are islas. Say that with me. Isla, meaning islands in Spanish. I just got back to my hotel room, students, and look at this great view. You know, I love traveling with each and every one of you, showing you the beauty, the fun adventures in nature, and I can't wait to have some more fun experiences soon with you. Bye, everyone.